Good morning, student. We start in previous lecture, that is the mechatronics. And in previous lecture, we see that the what is the mechatronics and where is used as a mechatronics. What is the mechatronics? Mechatronics is the combination of mechanical various branches. It is a combination of the various branches, that is the mechanical engineering, civil engineering and electrical engineering. But in mechanical engineering is a various branches, that is a production, manufacturing process. Okay, and then electrical branches is the electronics and telecommunication, instrumentation and computer engineering. These all the combination of the mechatronics. Now in this video we see that the general layout of the mechatronics, that is general layout of mechatronics system, general layout of mechatronics system. Okay, then what is the general layout of the mechatronics system? In which the means in mechatronics, what is the parts is used, that is the input sensor, input signal conditioning, digital control system, output signal conditioning, output display, sensor and mechanical actuator. Then how it is the works. Okay, suppose this is the block diagram of the mechatronic system. It is the input sensor, then this input sensor pass to the input signal conditioning, then digital control system, then output display, then this output signal, इथं काय आहे तुमचं आउटपुट सिग्नल कंडिशनिंग. Okay, then output display. Okay, this output conditional is passed to the mechanical actuator, and then pass to the sensor, and this sensor pass to the input. Okay, this is the general layout of the mechatronic system. Okay, in which the first will be the input sensor, then input signal conditioner, digital control system, output signal conditioning, output display, mechanical actuator and sensor. Then what is the sensor? Sensor means sensor is the senses of the various process, that is called as the sensor. Okay, and the input sensor means nothing but the इथून एक तुम्हाला signal is passes to the input sensor, then this input sensor is correct or not, so it is a pass to the input signal conditioning. First will be the input signal conditioning. We give the signal condition and then it is passed to the digital control system. This signal condition is converted into the digital control system. Okay, this is a number and this is we found at the digital control system, and then it is passed to the output signal conditioning. Signal condition. This output signal condition again output. Then we have seen that the output display. But as some part of the output signal conditioning is passed to the mechanical actuator, and then this mechanical actuator is passed to the sensor, and sensor again passed to the input signal condition and input sensor. This signal will be combination, that is the input signal conditioning. Okay, this is the figure of the general layout of the mechatronics. Then what is details of individual component of the mechatronic system. The first काय तुमचं input sensor. Then input sensor input sensor means input sensor detects the input signal and produces the electrical sensor. Input sensor, what is the function of the input sensor? It detects the input signal and produces electrical signal and produces the electrical signal. Okay, these electrical signal are given to the input signal. Okay, input sensor, what is the function of the input sensor? It detects the input signal and produces the electrical signal, and it is produces the electrical signal. This electrical signal pass to the input signal condition. Then what is the example of the input sensor? Example of the input sensor is the transducer, that is the input sensor, transducer, core, switches, proximity, potentiometer, accelerometer. These are the input sensor, that is the input sensor it detects the input signal and produces the electrical signal. Okay, then example of the input sensor is the input sensor, transducer, core, switches, proximity, potentiometer and accelerometer. Okay, then next will be this electrical signal passed to the input signal conditioning. The next component will be the input signal conditioning unit. Then what is the function of this unit? That is input signal conditioning device amplifies the input signal, amplifies the input signal, convert them into digital form and supplies the condition input signal to the digital control system. Then what is the function of the input signal conditioning unit? It device amplifies the input signal, means it is amplify the input signal and convert them to digital form, and it is converted into the digital form and supplies the condition input signal to the digital control system. This input signal is amplified and converted into the digital form and then passed to the digital control system. Then what is the example of the input signal conditioning? Is the filter, amplifier, analog to digital converter, analog to digital converter, Okay, these are the input signal conditioning unit. Then next will be the third will be the digital control unit. Then what is the function of the digital control unit? It is the processor of the mechatronic system. It is a processor. Microprocessor microcontroller, these are the example. And then function is the it controls the signal, the control signal is given to output signal conditioning unit, output digital conditioning unit. Okay, digital control unit is the control signal is given to the output signal conditioning unit. And the example of the digital control unit is the processor, microprocessor, and then microcontroller and PLC. Also it is the PLC is the example of the digital control unit. Then next will be the output signal conditioning system. Next is the output. Then digital control unit, it converts, control unit is given to the output signal condition. And then next will be the output signal conditioning unit. Next will be the output signal conditioning unit. These units amplify control unit and convert to analog form. Means this amplify the control unit, it convert to the analog form. Means digital is converted into the analog form. This is the function of the output signal conditioning unit, and this analog form is passed to the output display. Means it is output display is nothing but the computer. Okay, then it has a digital to analog converter. Okay, next will be the mechanical actuator. Then what is the mechanical actuator? Mechanical actuator performs the mechanical work involving the force and motion. Means this actuator perform the force and motion. Okay, the mechanical work is the force and motion. And example is the electric motor, hydraulic cylinder. These are the example of the mechanical actuator. And last will be the output sensor. Output sensor, the motion, force, speed, etc. The actuator are sensed by the sensor, transducer and feedback signal are generated by the sensor. Means this mechanical actuator produces the force and motion, will sense this sensor, and this sensor will again pass to the input signal conditioning this is called as the output sensor. Means force and motion will be sensed and then it pass to the input sensor. Okay, this means feedback. This signal is called as the feedback signal. Means feedback means nothing but this again signal will pass to the input sensor. Okay, the output sensor is the control unit produces the output according to the error signal, and hence the feedback loop is completed, and feedback loop is completed. Okay, the output sensor is a mechanical actuator, produces the force and motion, and this pass to the output sensor. This means sense, it is a sense, and this signal feedback to given to the input sensor. This is the general layout of the mechatronic system. Okay, input sensor means it detects the input signal and produces the electrical signal, and the example is the input sensor transducer switches proximity. Okay, then input signal conditioning, it device amplifies the input signal and convert them into the digital form मध्ये convert करण्याचं काम कोण करते, input signal conditioning unit. And third will be the digital control. It is given to the output signal conditioning system, and the example is a processor, microprocessor, microcontroller. Okay, then next will be the output signal conditioning. It units amplifies the control unit and convert to the analog form. It has a digital to analog converter. Mechanical actuator produces the force and motion, and this force and motion sends the output sensor and again pass to the input sensor, so the feedback will be completed. Okay, these are the general layout of the mechatronic system. Okay, thank you.